Today I lost $83 trading the NASDAQ futures. This was a W trade, but every trader takes his L's, and it's okay. But let me explain this trade. All right, this is no cap. This is my $83 loss right here. I'm live. I am live. Let's get into the market today. I'm here 10 minutes before market open. So we're gonna really get into it. Today is Friday, so where does my head go to? My head automatically goes to I wanted to be a thank God it's Friday type of day because it did have some moves up, but show you the market what it's doing right now. But first and foremost, we're gonna have to look at the news, and we're gonna have to look at the dollar, right? So first, let's look at the news. News today. I don't really plan on getting. We got three back-to-back red folders manipulation. So with that being said, I won't be looking for a trade until after 10 a.m. So that during that 9:50, after that 10 a.m., between after the 10 a.m. to 10:10, if I see an opportunity during then, I'll try to get in. If not, then I'm gonna leave price alone. Right now, going over to the dollar. Looking at the dollar, it's still in that premium, and I do see it going down further. Don't see no moves up yet on the dollar. And yeah, man. Now moving on, I'm gonna go to NQ first. Then NQ, we're gonna go to a daily chart. What is the daily chart doing? The daily chart is still bullish. We got these wicks, right? I would do this discount wick right here, but see how this one is larger. I'm just gonna keep this one on. You can do this one right here from yesterday, but I'd rather do this one because it's longer. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna just stick to this discount wick right here. Same thing. I could do this one, but this one is more larger and prices within it even more. So I'm gonna do this one, right? And we're still between this discount wick and this premium wick right now. And we got a TGIF. I want to see how price comes down to that. Thank God it's Friday. It already did during the London and Asia session, I believe. Let's go to the 1 hour. But I want to see at that 9:30 opening, will price come down to that. Now, looking at the 1 hour, you see what we did. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I see type of relative equal highs. My eyes automatically go to that. But let's draw out these kill zones first. So we're gonna do 19 to 21 for Asia. That's the Asia kill zone. Asia had nice movement. Though key wing moved sideways for Asia. But we got into London. What's London? 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. After I do that, what do I do next? I do the 7 to 9. What is the 7 to 9? That is the New York kill zone. Right? Okay, bam. Well, automatically do I see what pops out? So Asia low got took, Asia high got took. So I ain't gonna draw any low or high. So those, but what do I see? I see this London high up here. We got this London high. That'll be a good target for buy side. And I'm definitely bullish coming into the day. It's no see where my previous day's close is at. It's not gonna really be no gap up or gap down today. It's probably gonna be like a 20-point gap up based off how price is trading right now. But most likely gonna come down and fill it. Uh, this is the London high, and then we got this 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. I'm gonna go to the 15-minute the bellwether chart since I got that London high right. We just tapped into this 15-minute buy sign balance, no sign it inefficiency. right here from Thursday, right? Now, what do I see right here? We got relatively good relative equal highs. We got that. What's the high of this candle right here? Um, right here. Good relative equal highs. 25 cent, no, 75 cent away from each other. So we got these good relative equal highs up here. That's gonna be my target for today. Why is that my target? Why am I bullish? Looking at the daily chart, I am obviously bullish. So yeah, next thing we're gonna do, what I'm gonna wait till opening price is I'm gonna mark out the 8 a.m. to 7 a.m. We also got this sell sign bounce buy sign efficiency right here on the 15 minute. We got this SIBI, 15-minute SIBI. Boom, okay. Now I'm gonna wait, right? And I'm gonna wait for the 9:30 open to see what liquidity was formed. What's the highest high and lowest low between 8 a.m. to 9:30? And it's looking like this is it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't think price is gonna come back all the way down to here. So I'm gonna put that low and that high, unless we have just like a crazy 5 minute move right now. So I got the high and the low for the 8 a.m. to 9:30. Even though 9:30 has open, yeah, I obviously see this right here is gonna be an obvious low. So what I initially looking for after that 10 a.m. news come out on NQ, right? I want to see price sweep this sell side of 25,579.75, then have a move back up to this 15-minute SIBI, then this 25,710, and ultimately my highs and my target for the day, those relative equal highs up here. So that's my bias coming into the day, and that's what I want to see happen. I don't want to get into shorts, and I'm not going to take a short setup whatsoever. So, yeah, now I'm finna do the same thing for ES to see if there's any SMTs or anything like that. Also, before I do that, it's key to mark out. I'll be forgetting sometimes, but I just know when price is in a discount. You can just tell sometimes. But I am going to show y'all what I got. You gotta do it. I gotta do it. I'll be tripping. I want to mark out the midnight opening price, the midnight opening price, the 9:30 opening price, and the 8:30 opening price. And what do I want to be doing for a power of three? Since I am bullish, I want to be buying under one of these prices, right? Okay, that's midnight. And I gotta get 8:30. Boom, there we go. Then when 9:30 opens, I'm gonna do 9:30 and I'm all set for today. I know where I want to see. Got my opening prices and I know we're obviously in the discount right now. So everything looks good. All right, market open. We got a little premium gap, right? We got this one right here. How many points is that? It's like a 50-point premium gap. I'm definitely expecting it to get filled. Probably should just ran to them weathers for you go eyes that quick. See that? I knew that was a good target. But it might be one of those days where, I just don't get an entry and I gotta be perfectly okay with that. It is what it is, but I literally had that happening. But we're opening up in the premium right now, so I'm not really doing nothing. and I'm gonna just wait to see what's popping with when this news come out, and I'm waiting to see the first presenter for value gap get formed. Got this premium gap up, and it's only like a 50 point gap up, so I definitely do expect it to get filled. And I'm not chasing nothing. We're just gonna let price do what price wanna do. And put it on trying to trade it quick. Okay. Let's just let price react to this premium, this premium wick right here. Put it back to regular. Okay, we got our first presenter fair value. No, we don't. No, we don't. Not yet. Not yet. Don't let me speak too soon. Too much dip on your chip. This might create it though. Boom, we got action. First presented for value gap. That buy sign and balance, sell sign efficiency. Okay. Now I'm gonna just chill, wait for news to come out. I'm low-key might get into shorts due to the fact that we took out the 8 a.m. to 9:30 high. Took out relative equal highs. And we have a premium gap opening. What's the highest? Can't create it. It'll climb. It was this one right here. Yeah. So we just ran up and just took out where I wanted to have an entry at. But granted, still keep going up. I ain't gonna force a trade. Like I said, I'm most likely gonna wait for that 10 a.m. news to come out. But since we had this premium gap, I'm not longing anywhere up here. Definitely not getting any type of long play. See how we inverse that? I want to see this premium gap get filled in. I might go short right here. At that 742.75. But it's gonna be a quick break even because I know news is coming out. I might miss it. Just get a big push up in there.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in sales right here. Reason being, we got this premium gap. We we got relative equal highs. Cleared them. Cleared this London high. Gonna go break even real quick because we have this news coming out. So not expecting that much. Since it's a 50 point gap, I want to see it get filled. Not gonna lie to you. My stop loss is at this high day. 25.777. All right. like shorts right here. But I got to be careful of that news that's coming out. My entry was that to 736.25. Yeah, mini shorts. Let's see what we do during this 950 to 1010 macro. I like how we took out this London high. We got TGIF down here. We opened up with a premium gap. It's only 50 points. Definitely want to see it get filled in. This is all bearish to me. Um, we got this. You see this move up, followed by this move down. It's a good gauntlet play. Not gauntlet, Venom. Because you see how we moved up, taking out this. And we erase these relative view highs because they're in the way. We're above all the opening prices. Yeah, I like this for shorts. We got this move up. This move down here. Tap back into it. I like this for shorts. Got a tight stop loss, only a 40-point stop loss, so take a good risk reward. Yeah, it's not like I chased this short. I like what I'm seeing. We're in this first potential fair value gap right now. Just let's see what happens. The thing about ES, ES hasn't had its first potential fair. Oh yes, it does. Right here. It's a small one. Definitely got to be careful on this trade because of the news. Where's it busy? Got this website. See what happens during this 950 to 1010 macro. And when we open up in a premium gap, I'm automatically bearish on the day also. So I did want to see longs up to these London high and these relative equals I was up there, but Marky said nope. And this is a high profitability fair value gap that I shorted. It failed me all the way down here. That's some whole ass shit. But you know, it is what it is. Might be a hell trade. Damn. Why the fuck does it keep bringing this up? It's gonna be only like a little $80 loss. Yeah, I'm gonna just get out. I might just get out. Damn. Guess we shouldn't came above that
Stop
second
filled.
candle. Knew it. All right, you guys know the reason why I was wanted shorts. took out these relatively took out relative equal highs, took out London high, opened up in a premium, got a good venom. We had a buy side balance, sell side efficiency going up, taking out that London high, then going back down. The inversion of it, we got a inversion for value gap coming back down with this one. So I enter right here. Reason why I got in short is because there's an obvious premium gap and it's only a 50-point premium gap. But that's my reasoning. Took out London high. Then we enter back into this first for value gap. So yeah. This price want this daily sub buy sign of pound sometime fish ship here. Who knows? But yeah, that was my ill trade for today.